Right, we're going to multiply these two numbers here now without the calculator. So first let's write down 4.84 on top and 12.6 underneath. Now you see the way I've lined them up. Squared paper would be good for this. I'm ignoring the decimal points when it comes to lining them up. The decimal points don't need to be lined up underneath each other. In fact, it'd be wrong. So that's a multiplication there. We're going to ignore the decimal points until the end. So ignore the decimal points. 6 fours is 24. Down to 4 and carry the 2. 6 eights is 48 and 2 is 50. Down to 0 and carry the 5. 6 fours is 24 and 5. 24 and 5 is what? 29. So that goes there. Then we're going to be multiplying by the 2, so put down a 0. 2 fours is 8. No carrying over. 2 eights is 16. Put down to 6. Carry the 1. 2 fours is 8 and 1 is 9. Now we're going to be multiplying by the 1, so that'll be easy enough. We'll just be careful to put in our 2 zeros. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. And 1 times 4 is 4 again. And then we're going to add up these guys. We get 4 here, 8. 4 and 6 is 10 and 9 is 19. Carry the 1. 9 and 9 is 18 and 2 is 20. 9 and 9 is 18 and 2 is 20. Put down the 0 and carry the, what was it, a 2. 2 and 4 is 6. And now we're going to worry about our decimal point. Now what we do is we count the amount of places it went in here from the right hand side. You see that? It went in 2 places from the right hand side. And this guy here went in 1 place. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we're going to get our answer. We start our decimal point here and we bounce it in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 60.984. Now a rough check on that. That's approximately 5. Right? 5 say multiplied by 12 equals 60. And it's kind of like 5, yeah, it's kind of like 5 multiplied by 13, but you might know that in your head. But so this answer does seem reasonable. So we'll go with 60.984.